friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about the display property in CSS. So the display property specifies if how an element is displayed. So whatever elements we specify or provide in HTML file, the default values for this display are two values, which is block and inline. So what does block means? So block means the entire space of a line will be taken to that particular element, and inline means only the value that we have provided, only that particular space will be taken. So let's see in the demo how we can see the difference for the block elements as well as the inline elements. So this is my display.html file and this is display.css file. Currently both the files are empty. So let's add the code here. So let's provide the template HTML. Now what I want to do, I want to provide here h1 tag. So h1 tag is a block level element, means it will take the entire space. Let's provide a value, let's say heading 1. So this is my heading. After that I will add an anchor tag. So anchor tag is an inline element, means it will take only the required space. So let me provide a value as link 1. Let's copy this statement, Ctrl V, link 2. Let's save this and run on browser. So this is my display.html file currently. So you can notice the difference here. This heading 1 which we have applied is taking the entire line space, means if you see here, first anchor tag is added here, but this second anchor tag is not added on the second line because it is taking only this much of space. So the next element can be added here, but in the case of heading, the anchor tag is not added here because this heading is taking the entire space. So let me show you that here what we can do. Let's add more properties here. Let's say unordered list we want to add, and let's provide some values here in the li tag. Li, let's say value 1. Let's copy this statement, provide here 3 values, value 1, value 2 and value 3. So let's check what this li item is, whether it is a block level or inline element. So what we can do, let's refresh the page. So here you can see this is a block level element, as it is taking the entire space, means value 1 is added here but value 2 is not added here because it is taking entire line space. So let me add some background color to show you how this entire space is taken up by these elements. So in the CSS file we can add, so first element which we have used is h1. So let's add the background color for it, let's say green. Let's copy this statement. We will add same background color to all other elements. For anchor tag we will add the background color. Now for the li tag, li, and we need to link this CSS file to our HTML file. How to do that? Inside the head tag, provide the link tag and provide the path of your CSS file. Currently my both HTML and CSS file are stored in one location, so I just need to provide the name of file, which is display.css. Save it, save the CSS file, and now refresh the page. So you will notice the difference here. The background color is added to the entire line because it is taking the entire space, means it is a block level element. In the anchor tag you can see it is taking only that particular space, means it is an inline element, it is not taking the space of entire line. Here you can see the background color is not added because it is not taking that space, and for li the entire line is getting the background color as green. So what does this display properties do? With the help of display property we can change the existing behavior. Here you can see the h1 is taking the entire space. We won't want that entire space, we want only this particular space here. So we need to make this element inline element. So here you can provide property which is display, and here you can see inline. Here you can provide it inline. So once you provide it inline, it will take the space only that one. Here you can see now only that particular space is taken, and now the anchor tags are applied on the same line, which was not the previous case. In the same way, I want to make this li also inline. Let me add here display inline. Now what will happen, these values will be applied also in this particular first line because all are inline now. Here you can see this is inline. Why it is not added here? Because we have the ordered list tag, and ordered list is a block level, so it will take the next line. Now what you can do, I need to make this anchor tag is by default inline, so we can make it block, so it will take the entire line space. Now save this, refresh now. So see, now it is taking the entire space. So we have reverted their default values because anchor tag initially was inline, we had made it to block, and heading and unordered list was block, we have made it to inline. So another things we can do here is, there is another value for display which is none. So what this none will do, if you provide here none, so let's see the difference on the browser. If I refresh the page, so that value gets vanished, like we cannot see those values because we have provided the value here display none. So let me revert it to display block only. And now what we will do, we will make it to none whenever we take the mouse near the, let me refresh it, save it, refresh. So this is how the currently web page is looking. Now what I will do, I will add one more property here, a hover, and let's say display none. So what will happen now, let's check, refresh the browser. So when I hover over this link 1, so it will get vanished because we have applied here property, whenever the hover is done it will be displayed none. So when I click on, take the mouse near the link 2, it will get vanished. Once I click on link 1, then it will get vanished. As you can see, link 2 is there, and when I click on link 2, link 1 is getting there. So in this way the both are behaving. As you can see, we had made use of this display none block. So in this way, as per your requirement on the web page, you can make the changes. So that's it in this video. We will cover another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.